Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and personal growth? In this video, we will be exploring the incredible works of Shivani, an esteemed spiritual teacher and author who has touched the lives of millions around the world. Shivani has authored numerous books on various subjects, each offering profound insights and practical guidance for living a fulfilling and empowered life. One of her remarkable books is The Power of One Thought, which delves into the immense influence our thoughts have on shaping our reality. It serves as a guide to help you master your mind and harness the power of positive thinking to manifest the life you desire. With clarity and wisdom, Shivani explores topics like the power of gratitude, forgiveness, and the art of creating a positive mindset. Her teachings provide practical tools to overcome challenges and cultivate a deeper sense of peace and happiness. Another highly acclaimed book by Shivani's Happiness Unlimited. In this profound work, she explores the keys to unlocking lasting happiness and inner fulfillment. Through practical techniques and profound insights, Shivani offers a roadmap to lead a life filled with joy and contentment. Shivani's books cover a wide range of subjects, including relationships, spirituality, meditation, and personal growth. They are a treasure trove of wisdom and inspiration, empowering readers to transform their lives and create a positive impact in the world. If you are ready to embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal transformation, I highly recommend exploring Shivani's books. For more information about Shivani and her teachings, visit her official website and follow her on social media. Do not miss out on the opportunity to empower your mind and embrace a life of happiness and fulfillment. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Connect with us on social media for the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and may your journey of self-discovery be filled with love and light.